Medcare is a premium care provider for Aster DM Healthcare, which is spread across the United Arab Emirates. We are 16 state-of-the-art facilities spread across UAE, comprising of hospitals and medical centers. So we had two main challenges across the Medcare group. One was basically providing the right solution, right connectivity across for all our caregivers, and second was to converge all our Medcare sites. We at Medcare believe in great patient experience, and rightfully we wanted a partner who can deliver that experience. And Alcatel-Lucent Enterprise definitely was bringing on their experience in hospitality along with their healthcare domain experience. We deployed an end-to-end solution from Alcatel-Lucent Enterprise comprising of networking, data center solutions, switches, and telephony. That includes unified communications. Benefits are multiple. If you look at return on investment, we have a shared network now, and centralized management is bringing down the operational costs, offering a better control over network status and monitoring. Our 1,500 caregivers are connected at this point in time, and we are really proud of it because you have medical information right at the point of care, and it has also enabled mobility across the campus. Patient care is available everywhere, but what matters is the patient experience. And what we have found is that to engage patients across at all levels of their interactions. So that's where Alcatel comes into play, where we are providing great access and they are able to get connected across all devices that they bring into the facility. Post-implementation, the biggest change that we have noticed is the connectivity and the speed by which the users can connect to each other. For example, an image taken in one of the hospitals, and the doctor can immediately see the images across the other hospital and do the reporting as well. So the access is instant. Telephony Telecom was our implementation partner along with Alcatel-Lucent Enterprise. The project comprised of greenfield and brownfield implementation. We thought it would be a challenging exercise, but we had zero downtime while doing this implementation. Our visionary chairman, Dr. Azad Moopen, and Executive Director, Ms. Alicia Moopen, has conveyed a message to us to be future ready. And I believe with the solution we are already there. For instance, cloud computing, telehealth, telemedicine, and Internet of Things. We are ready to support any of these innovative solutions across all our facilities in the near future. Alcatel-Lucent Enterprise has a unique understanding of a requirement, and we believe that they have the capabilities to deliver a world-class healthcare experience.